Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to show you how to factory reset a Chromebook. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how to exactly factory reset your Chromebook? Well, this one is going to be fairly easy. So we can actually refer to the actual page for resetting your Chromebook here. So this is directly from Google themselves. Now, in this case, what we need to do first here is you want to make sure that you've backed up your data, because factory resetting your device here, or your Chromebook specifically, deletes all data, or in this case, all the files that you currently have right now on your laptop. Which in this case, if you want to save those, make sure to have a backup. Transfer them or transfer your files in a safe drive, or you may want to upload or back them up online. But yeah, how to exactly factory reset it? Well, what you need to do is you first need to sign out from your Chromebook. And from the screen, or the screen that you usually sign in into, you need to press the following keys on your keyboard. So you want to press Control, Alt, Shift, and R. Now you want to press these 4 keys together at the same time, and just select the restart option that you'll be seeing. Now from then on, you want to go and choose the following option, which in this case is going to be Power Wash, then Continue. Now, on the following screen, it will ask you to start signing in into your account. So just sign in with your Google account, and that Google account will now be the owner of that Chromebook. Now, from then on, just follow the on-screen steps here to set up your Chromebook. So usually there's a few things that you need to enter, like your name and some details, but in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.